Welcome guys to Amapiano Zone UK. I want to thank you so much for being here today. It's been a while. I was off for about 6 months. I'll explain in a video later in the future. But I had this beat in mind here that I thought I would like to show you guys. So I'm just gonna break it down because the original video I had recorded while making this beat got corrupted and I didn't get the audio. But what we're making today is a luxury Amapiano beat. So I'm just gonna walk you through all the different elements. One of the main things was to start with simple chords that are smooth. And I put a few more elements on that to get my drums right. Like this loop here. And then I combined that with a few more drums. I just had a kick, a normal kick, 4 on the floor, and some rim shots and some simple percussion. And of course, some shakers. I just copied the same thing and I used the Poly 6 sound. I used another pad and I used it to make this different sound here. And that's by automating the main cutoff. If you automate the main cutoff, you can get this like different sound. So this is how it sounds, the cutoff fully on. So you can use the cutoff to make this effect. It's just been something I've just enjoyed so much now. Next sound I used was just a simple step sound. And to really get to set the mood in the best possible way, I just used like a really low bass. It's almost like a race bass, but it just gives it that moody feel. So it's just nice and low. I made it with a clap and a different sound as well. It's just to put a bit more movement into those different sounds. So this is how it all sounds together, just in the intro section. And that just about worked for me in this particular track. And then in the second part, I used this vocal here. If you know, you know. And I moved on from this part as well into the drop. This is my log drum pattern. There's not a lot of bass in this log drum, it's just made to be there. But what I did is now I layered it with an E flute here, which gives it a bit more bass. So it's almost like a sub bass as well. So it helps it to sound a bit more full. I added a second hat that's just only playing really high notes as well, with a bit of reverb on it on the drop. In the last section of the drop, I added this different sound as well, just to tell people that we're now going back into a break. All these sounds are from Flex. I mostly find myself using Flex for all these sounds. So this is just the same. It's just a preset from there. A few tweaks here, but that's about it, and straight onto the mixer. So this is the beat, guys. The FLP is free. You can download it and use it in your own personal projects. I'm just happy to be back making videos, and I want to thank you all for being around. Thank you for the subscribers who were there. I hope you can enjoy working with this one. So take care, everyone. See you on the next video.